Huh?
Well, in the double helix
Yes.
of genes, they're all a combination of 4 different things, A, G, T, and C.
Right.
And there's 2 out of these 4 in each combination. And there's like 100 billion combinations.
100 billion, right.
So they've identified or labeled somehow what each
Jeez.
one of these 100 billion things might be.
Right.
And this machine is going through them and checking each one to see whether it's an A, a G, a T, or a C.
So right now, in theory, it's sampling somebody's blood.
Yes, yes.
One individual's blood right now.
And it's going through them all and putting them all in their places here
Right.
as they belong at a very high rate. Now here,
Jeff, do you know how long that takes?
this I think takes like a few hours maybe.
Human
Now
chromosome.
here, look at this. You can sort of guess because this is a better example.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Now here it is running through the numbers,
Right.
and here are the sequence. So now we're up to what? 9 million? And it has like,
Yep, 9 million. What? It has what? All of that to go?
no, 9 million sequence. So I don't
Right.
know if it's like 10 million or 100 million or whatever. But you can see how fast it's going. It's going about like 1,000 a second.
And this is how they do DNA testing.
Right now, yeah.
Right. And you said it takes...
Oh, 10 times speed. So they sped it up, I think.
Oh, right now. Just
Yeah.
for this display.
But see here what they say. They have 96 lines. So they're doing it simultaneously, right?
Right.
They're doing 100 things at a time. 96 things at a time.
Right. Do you know anything about the processor they use for this?
No.
They used to have to use this big super crate. And it would take like a year, right?
But this is the machine they use.
Can we go inside?
Right here, this thing. So what they do is,
This machine looks kind of archaic, doesn't it?
yeah.
Is this
Well,
actually...
no, it's built archaic to make it like durable.
So this
See,
is... They're
what
using
you
this
do
right now.
Is you take that thing with all the stacks on it,
Yeah.
right? And what you would do is you would take your blood sample and put it in all those teeny little holes. And what it does is it puts it under there and it samples all those holes at the same time.
Just that one blue one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you do is, like, to make money, you get like 100 samples and you put them all in these thingies here,
Mm-hmm.
and you run them all through, and this machine will do all this. And
So then what
Give
comes
you a
out is just
readout.
like a readout.
Yeah. Yeah, but the readout is important because then
Genome
it
sequencing.
will tell you whether you are susceptible to certain diseases.
So this is called the DNA atrium
Yeah.
genome sequencing. What is it? Is this Gentech or Genzyme? Is this Genzyme?
Broad Institute.
Oh. So what does this select? So if I select this,
It might be I don't know. It turned off. But
this is broad. I've never heard of broad. So
No.
they're like up there with, what's the other one? Bio something.
With these other machines. Yeah, but here's the same thing, same type of machine. So this all looks like different types of the same machines.
Interesting.
Got thermoscientific.
Awesome. Let's go in here later.
Yeah, I think they're closed. You need a.
Clarence. Jeff,
No.
this gene chip hybridization oven. So, okay, what's that?
They're cooking something.
DNA microarrays or chips are thin wafers studded with different pieces of DNA. These fragments can correspond to DNA sequences found within a person's genome. Their likeness forms the framework for DNA microarray technology. This oven creates just the right condition for matching pieces of DNA to find and stick to each
Right.
other. So
So
that's how
what
you
you
try to
do-
create dinosaurs.
No, you find like a common gene,
Yep.
like leukemia.
Yes.
You identify it, you put it on this chip. Then you take your gene and put it in the machine and match it up. And then they come up
Fascinating.
like saying like you're at a high risk for leukemia, so we better like have a really specific.
Fascinating. Does insurance cover that?
No, I doubt it.
I don't think so either.
No, as a matter of fact, there's a big ethical thing with insurance and testing.
Okay, by DNA, by genome sequencing.